Hi guys, ako lang ulit to. So, qualifying exam tips. Okay, so paano nyo nga ba mapapasa yung qualifying exam? I have prepared some tips that is based on my experience on how I prepared for the qualifying exam. If you wanna know them, then please keep on watching. Una, before submitting your application, make sure na nakapag-review ka na and nakapag-practice ka ng mag-type kasi kailangan nyo yun during the SOAP or the live scribing part of the exam. Before I submitted my application, siguro nag-prepare ako mga 1 month before since wala nga akong experience and kakapasa ko lang din ng boards nung nag-apply ako. What I did was I reviewed a lot of resources kung ano yung exam coverage and watch a lot of YouTube videos about the qualifying exam in Hello Raish. You have to maximize your resources and research as much information as you can in order for you to be prepared. At para maging smooth na rin yung application process. Yung qualifying exam, it is actually divided into 4 parts. Number 1 is the live scribing. Second, referral letter. Third is computer navigation skill test. And the last one is the medical knowledge test. During the live scribing part, they will give you 30 minutes to complete everything. And this part comprises of SOAP notes, which is the subjective, objective, assessment, and the plan. You can search this in Google, but if you want me to create a video regarding the SOAP notes, please comment down below. Also, during the live scribing, you will watch and listen to a patient-doctor encounter, and you will take down important information. Ito yung YouTube channel na pinapanood ko before kasi you can practice through their videos. Second is the referral letter writing. They will give you also 30 minutes for this one. Dito naman, may ibibigay na patient case and need mo siyang gawan ng referral letter for further evaluation and treatment. Meron namang format na ibibigay during the qualifying exam, so make sure to follow those. Ito yung pinapanood ko before on how to create a medical referral letter. Third is the computer navigation skill test. In this part, mga basic questions lang yung tinatanong to assess your proficiency in computer navigation. You can search for this one in Google and you will find plenty of quizzes that you might take. The last part of the exam is the medical knowledge test. So in this one, you have to familiarize yourself with the common medical terminologies and common physical exam during checkups. Actually, anything can be asked here, so make sure that you have studied well before the exam. During the exam, please listen carefully and follow the instructions. Makinig ng mabuti sa instructions para hindi kayo magkamali at ma-disqualified. You don't have to worry because they will guide you throughout the exam. Next tip is to prepare your workplace. Make sure that there are no distractions, no background noises para makakapag-focus ka during the exam. Dapat din maliwanag yung room and maganda yung lighting because you are required to be on cam while taking the exam for monitoring purposes. Next tip is to check your gadgets before taking the exam. Make sure everything is working properly to avoid encountering problems while taking the exam. Last tip is to utilize Google if you are unfamiliar with what is being asked. Google will definitely be your best companion. Yun lang guys, hopefully this helped you in preparation for your qualifying exam. Good luck future HVAs!